Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your life: achieving financial freedom through investing in a multifamily home. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to not just own a home but have others pay for it. Sounds intriguing, right? The concept of living free. Living free through real estate is about creating a lifestyle where the income from your property investments covers your housing costs, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. To achieve this, consider the following tips. Strategic leverage. Explore ways to strategically leverage your real estate assets. This could involve securing favorable financing terms, refinancing, or using the equity from one property to acquire another. Cash flow analysis. Understand the cash flow potential of your properties. Ensure that the rental income not only covers the mortgage but also leaves room for unexpected expenses and vacancies. Long-term vision. Approach real estate investment with a long-term vision. Multifamily properties have the potential for both immediate cash flow and long-term appreciation. Consider how your investments align with your overall financial goals. Before we continue, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Benefits of multifamily real estate. Now, let's delve into why multifamily real estate stands out as a game changer. Unlike single-family properties, multifamily units offer the advantage of multiple income streams within a single investment. In this extended segment, consider the following advice. Diversification. Embrace the diversification offered by multifamily properties. Having multiple units mitigates risk, as vacancies in one unit can be offset by income from others. Resilience in downturns. Understand the resilience of multifamily properties during economic downturns. People always need a place to live, and the consistent demand for rental housing can provide stability in uncertain times. Value-add opportunities. Look for value-add opportunities. Consider properties that may need improvements or renovations, as these can lead to increased rental income and property appreciation. Strategies to implement. The blueprint for financial freedom involves strategic planning and execution. In this detailed segment, consider the following practical strategies. Define clear goals. Clearly define your investment goals. Are you seeking immediate cash flow for short-term gains, or are you more focused on long-term wealth accumulation? Tailor your strategy accordingly. Location matters. Choose your property locations wisely. Opt for neighborhoods with strong rental demand, amenities, and potential for growth. A strategic location can significantly impact your property's performance. Thorough due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence before making any investment. Analyze cash flow projections, assess potential risks, and ensure the property aligns with your investment criteria. Building your multifamily portfolio. As you embark on this exciting journey, building a diversified multifamily portfolio becomes a key strategy. In this extended segment, consider the following advice. Diversify property types. Diversify your portfolio by considering properties with varying sizes and in different neighborhoods. This approach spreads risk and enhances the overall stability of your investment portfolio. Scale gradually. Scale your portfolio gradually. Don't rush to acquire multiple properties at once. Ensure each addition aligns with your overall investment goals and contributes positively to your portfolio's performance. Proactive management. Proactively manage your properties. Regularly assess market conditions, stay informed about potential changes in the neighborhood, and actively manage tenant relationships to ensure a positive and profitable experience. Defining your investment goals. Before you start scouting properties, it's essential to define your investment goals. Consider the following tips. Cash flow objectives. Clarify whether you're aiming for immediate cash flow, long-term appreciation, or a balance of both. This will guide your property selection and investment strategy. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with potential fluctuations in property value, or do you prioritize stable, consistent returns? Knowing your risk tolerance helps in choosing the right type of multifamily property. Investment horizon. Determine your investment horizon. Are you looking for a short-term investment to meet specific financial goals, or are you in it for the long haul? Align your investment horizon with your overall financial plan. Choosing the ideal location. Location is a key factor that can significantly impact the success of your multifamily investment. Consider these practical tips. Rental demand. Choose neighborhoods with strong rental demand. Look for areas with a growing population, job opportunities, and amenities that attract potential tenants. Market research. Conduct thorough market research. Analyze trends in the local real estate market, vacancy rates, and rental prices. This information will help you make informed decisions about where to invest. Future growth potential. Assess the future growth potential of the location. Areas undergoing development or revitalization may present excellent opportunities for property appreciation. Analyzing cash flow potential. Understanding the potential cash flow of a property is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Here's what to keep in mind. Expense analysis. Conduct a detailed analysis of potential expenses. Consider property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and property management fees. Accurate expense projections are essential for estimating your net cash flow. Rental market dynamics. Study the rental market dynamics in the chosen location. Analyze rental rates for similar properties, vacancy rates, and tenant demand. A competitive rental market enhances your potential for positive cash flow. Financing considerations. Explore financing options and their impact on cash flow. Lower interest rates or favorable financing terms can significantly improve your property's cash flow. Thorough due diligence. Once you've identified a potential property, thorough due diligence is a non-negotiable step. Consider these due diligence tips. Property inspection. Conduct a comprehensive property inspection to identify any potential issues or necessary repairs. Factor the inspection results into your decision-making process. Legal and financial review. Review all legal and financial documents related to the property. This includes leases, property records, and financial statements. Ensure there are no hidden liabilities or legal complications. Market trends. Stay updated on market trends. Understand how economic, demographic, and market changes could impact the property's future performance. Leveraging the power of financing. Financing is a key aspect of real estate investment, and leveraging it intelligently can amplify your returns. Consider these financing strategies. Down payment options. Explore various down payment options. While a higher down payment can lead to lower mortgage payments, it's essential to strike a balance that aligns with your overall investment strategy. Loan types. Understand different loan types, such as fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, and choosing the right one depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Creative financing. Explore creative financing options, such as seller financing or partnerships. Creative approaches can provide flexibility and unique solutions to financing challenges. BRRRR strategy. The BRRRR strategy is a powerful method for recycling capital and building a multifamily portfolio. Here's how it works. Buy. Acquire a property with strong potential for improvement or value appreciation. Rehab. Invest in renovations or improvements to increase the property's value. Rent. Place tenants in the renovated property to generate rental income. Refinance. Refinance the property based on its improved value, allowing you to recover a significant portion of your initial investment. Repeat. Use the recovered capital to fund the acquisition of additional properties and repeat the process. Exploring joint ventures and partnerships. Joint ventures and partnerships can open up new possibilities for financing your multifamily investments. Consider the following. Shared capital. Pooling resources with partners allows you to access a larger pool of capital, enabling you to tackle larger or multiple investments. Distributed risk. Joint ventures distribute the financial risk among multiple partners, providing a more secure financial position for everyone involved. Complementary skills. Partnering with individuals who bring complementary skills and expertise can enhance the overall success of your multifamily investments. Building a strong financial foundation. As you embark on your multifamily real estate journey, building a strong financial foundation is crucial. Here's how. Emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or periods of vacancy. Having a financial buffer enhances your ability to weather challenges. Conservative cash flow projections. When assessing potential properties, use conservative cash flow projections. This ensures that your investment remains profitable even in less than ideal scenarios. Reviewing financing terms. Regularly review your financing terms. If market conditions or your financial situation change, explore opportunities to refinance or renegotiate terms to maximize your returns. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to financial freedom is now armed with comprehensive knowledge, and remember, your path to success is ongoing. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.